When it comes to virtualization, I think one of the low-hanging fruits that we have is trying to having a unified management system in terms of your network operations that allows you to have a stronger, network capacity, a high service availability, a very agile network, and you actually transform your network from a very decentralized to a centralized network. So that with that you're able to provide stronger SLAs, unified SLAs. You're gonna accommodate more customer base than not having virtualization. At the same time, you're going to create a lot of agility. And in order to sustain, in order to basically be the best in the business, you need to be agile. You need to be agile in terms of trying to, transform your business model to what your customers demand. And at the same time, with NFV, with virtualization, you're actually trying to look at the outcomes, not just on the outputs. A lot of scalability, I would say. So as you expand, as you enhance, you can accommodate more people with the same limited infrastructure. And you're not selling infrastructure, you're not selling network technologies, but now you're selling service. So the whole business model is transformed into service. So network as a service, network as an infrastructure, so they become as services, they don't become as products, they become as technology. And for consumers, one of the biggest advantages they would have is they can now demand SLAs. Today, we don't have a unified end-to-end SLA for a specific service, but with the virtualization methodology, technology, customers will be now in a position to demand an end-to-end SLA. Second thing is, with a virtualization technology, you are in a better position to expedite the provisioning of services. So remotely, self-provisionings, you name it, customers can be provisioned, they can get the services faster than they get it today with conventional platforms. I think we really haven't seen any significant development when it comes to virtualization and data centers as such within the telecommunication operators ecosystem. However, I think going forward, I think we would want to have a forum, or we would want to have a congregation of operators to basically get their insights on how they're doing the business. So I think going forward in future, I think we would love to have such events where we have a lot more operator focus, where they share the experiences in terms of how they do the open data center. I think there are a lot of new things that one gets to experience in these forums, in terms of technology, in terms of services, in terms of capabilities. Now, we work in the Middle Eastern part of the world, and there are a lot of things that we see there which we don't see here, and there are a lot of things which we see here which are not available there. So I think these are ideal platforms for people like ourselves to basically adopt some of the best practices that we see being being implemented in the developed world, which we can take back and implement it with our own flavor, with some modification, with some customizations, and that gives us a better business value.